With the WEN3100 PSI pressure washer, you can take on the hardest of cleaning jobs without having to worry about performance. It's a gas-powered pressure washer that is powered by a powerful 4-stroke 208 CC OHV engine. This engine can easily pump out 2.5 gallons of water per minute. With 5 different quick connect spray gun nozzles ranging from 0 to 40 degrees along with an onboard soap tank, you will be able to take on both the most delicate as well as the toughest surfaces all with the same pressure washer. It comes with a long 30-foot reinforced hose with onboard storage for better reach. To easily move the washer around, there are 2 12-inch wheels that will never go flat, and a soft rubber padded handle. Since it's a WEN product, you won't have to worry about spare parts availability as they have a nationwide network of skilled service technicians and outlets. Same as the previous model, this too features an axial cam pump that requires no maintenance. And because it's a gas-powered model, you can take the washer anywhere you want. One thing I really liked about this is the never flat tires. That's one thing you won't have to worry about. Another feature you will really appreciate is the long hose. This is perfect for those bigger jobs where you have to clean larger surface areas. The quick change lance allows you to easily swap out your current nozzle and install one of the 5 included nozzles to clear a variety of objects. Pros: 30-foot long reinforced hose, 208 CC OHV 4-stroke engine, soft padded handles, quick nozzle change, large 12-inch never flat tires.